80s flashback sa mga 80s po. Salamat po rin pa tayo ngayon. Thank you naman po kay Lord. Thank you po kay Lord. I've been passing time, watching trains go by. All my life, lying on the sand, watching zebras fly, wishing there would be someone waiting home for me. Something's telling me it might be you. It's telling me it might be you. All my life, looking back as lovers.